Kalanchoe is a genus of perennial succulents or shrubs in the Crassulaceae or stonecrop family. There are over 100 species that are native to Madagascar and tropical Africa. Kalanchoes are hardy in USDA zones 10 to 12. These low-maintenance plants are usually planted in the landscape in warmer climates and grown as houseplants in colder climates. Kalanchoe are known for their cylindrical, oval or linear succulent leaves. The plants bear clusters of tiny, bell-shaped flowers in shades of orange, pink, salmon, red, white and yellow. A few species bear clusters of tubular flowers. These flowers usually last for a few months. These are some of the Kalanchoe species that are good as both houseplants and as garden plants. Kalanchoe blossfeldiana or flaming Katy has waxy, scallop-edged green leaves and bears clusters of single or double flowers. Kalanchoe digramontiana or mother of thousands has serrated leaves where many baby plantlets grow. It bears tubular, pinkish-gray flowers. Kalanchoe tomentosa or panda plant has silver leaves covered in soft hairs with brown spots on the edges. Kalanchoe orgalis or copper spoons has spoon-shaped leaves that are bronze to gray on the underside and brown to copper on the top side. The leaves are densely covered in fine hairs. Kalanchoe pumila or flower dust plant has dusty grayish-green leaves covered with fine white hairs. This plant has a trailing habit. Kalanchoe baharensis or feltbush has green fleshy leaves covered in fine velvety hairs. Kalanchoe fedshenkoe, variegata, has scallop-shaped leaves boldly variegated in white, cream, and pink. Kalanchoe marmorata or penwiper plant has gray-green leaves often spotted with purple. Kalanchoe pinnata or cathedral bells has fuzzy leaves with scallop edges. This plant bears bell-shaped flowers and baby plantlets grows on mature leaves. To grow Kalanchoe as a houseplant, start by choosing a terracotta pot that is no more than 2 inches wider than the root ball of your new plant. Ensure that there are 2 or more drainage holes. Use fresh cactus potting mix or soil specifically prepared for succulents. Place the plant in a location that gets full morning sun and some shade from the hot afternoon sun. Kalanchoe are drought tolerant. Water thoroughly when the top 2 inch of the soil feels dry to touch. Make sure any excess water drains out completely. Avoid overwatering the plants to prevent root rot. Feed the plants with a balanced granular fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Remove spent flowers and dead leaves. Occasionally trim the plant to keep it tidy and promote bushier growth. Any signs of mealybugs and aphids can be removed by using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. All parts of Kalanchoe are toxic to humans and pets when ingested. To get Kalanchoe plants to rebloom, give it at least 14 hours of complete darkness for 6 weeks. Transfer the plant in a closet overnight, and move it back to the bright location in the morning. Reduce watering and fertilizing during this time. New buds will start to form after 6 weeks. Transfer the plant back to its usual location and resume regular watering and feeding. Kalanchoe are easy to propagate. Break off a larger leaf or a stem cutting and stick it into a small pot filled with fresh cactus mix. Do not water until new leaves start to form. Start to water once new leaves appear. Kalanchoe are such low-maintenance flowering plants that also helps purify indoor air. Thank you for watching.